Hi comrades. I've just unboxed the trade with only one Kenobi, so that's that squid head, and they gave me the patch as well. So this arrived on Thursday. I won it on, I think, Monday. I think I was watching Salacious Rum, and this was ending while the show was going on, so I went onto eBay and bid on this. So here we are. It's a graded Luke Hoff figure. It's graded UKG 80. It's got a new style case. So let's have a good look at this. Oh, it's windy today. I need to go out. I need to buy some toothpaste. So there's the Luke. I just have a feeling this figure's going to start to hot up a little bit. I don't know why. Star Wars Luke Skywalker Hoff, 1980 Lucasfilm Limited, made in Hong Kong. Figure 80, paint 80, UKG grade, overall grade is 80. So why am I bidding on this Luke? You can see the Hong Kong there. So yeah, I mean, this figure, I think, is, out of all the Lukes, is one of the most neglected, really, because all the actions with the Luke Farm Boy, the Luke Bespin, and then say the Luke Jedi, then Luke X-Wing, and then obviously Luke Stormtrooper, Luke Poncho, and then Luke Hoff. So it's quite a good sculpt, this one. The rarest version is or the most desirable is the Spanish Meccano figure. It's got a lighter, more pinkish waistcoat. Different paint taps. There's a no-coup version as well. I'm sure that's what I've got on my Tri-Logo carded. I've got him on the Revenge Proof as well. This is a great figure, this. So this is quite a good figure, actually. I got it for quite a good price as well. I won it for £46. He's done really well in the vintage collection as well. It's a great figure as well. So we've got a great Luke here, done in the Black Series as well. I wish I'd picked that one up when I had the chance, but this is a cool figure. Hoff Luke. Hong Kong COO. Strange they never gave him the lightsaber. They gave him this sort of the same weapon that the Rebel Commander came with. But cool figure. I've got the Revenge Proof as well and the Tri-Logo. Would love to have this on the Empire card. Definitely a bit of a sleeper figure, really. It's about time this figure started becoming a bit more sought. Say he's on par with the Luke Poncho. I guess the Luke Poncho, as he's last 17, is a bit more desirable. I guess because of the scarf, the bits that hold they're not level. I like the way the gun looks displayed like that. So a nice pickup, I think. Let's just lower the camera. So yeah, great pickup. And I've got the trade with only one Kenobi today, so very nice. I think in England he averages on eBay about 50 to 60 pounds, graded 80, a bit more for a higher grade. But yeah, it's about time I got one of these figures. Very nice. Always like the face sculpt on this one. I thought that was great. I like the way the legs are posed on this as well. It's a very cool figure. Okay, so I hope you like looking at that. Check out my movie, Red Army Bunker, Stalingrad 1942. And there's my squid head from Only One Kenobi. Cheers, goodbye.